Hi and welcome back to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Emily. In this video we're gonna take a closer look at a new stamp set called Thankful for You. This is a part of Trinity Stamps' new release, Autumn Rainbow. This features a cute little gnomes and the coordinating sentiment that says Thankful for You, and all of the images as well as the sentiments has coordinating dies. I went ahead and colored them off screen just to give you an idea of how this would look, and I cut them out with the coordinating dies, and you can see that this stamp set cuts out perfectly and that the sentiments also have a nice white border and that they cut between the letters so that everything could match perfectly on your projects. I will show you a close-up of what I mean. You can see here that all the letters are cut out perfectly around them. And I just love that little for you. Here they are laid out on top of their stamp set, and I just think that looks adorable. I created one quick card just to give you an idea what you can do, but I will leave you with some more inspiration from the design team. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. Also visit our Facebook group and Instagram for even more inspiration. And all the links to the products that I used in this video are listed down below. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!